Hey guys, if you're trying to download an app on your iPhone and it's just not downloading, then keep watching, as in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick and easy solutions. The first thing we need to do is just check our storage to make sure we actually have adequate storage space. And to do this, what we need to do is come inside of Settings, come down to General, select iPhone storage, and right at the top here, you'll see how much storage space you have available on your iPhone. As you can see, for me, I have 68 gigabytes of storage available, which is more than enough to download an application. And if this is also the case for you, then we can just come back out of General, come back again, and we're now going to scroll down to App Store. And down in this mobile data tab, you'll see this section for app downloads. So go ahead and select that. And we need to change this from ask if over 200 megabytes to always allow. Then come back to the App Store, come back over to Settings, and then we need to scroll up slightly to Screen Time. Come down to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and if you have this option here enabled and turned on, then what you need to do is come over to Content Restrictions, and underneath Apps, just make sure this is set to Allow All. Now obviously, if you have Content and Privacy Restrictions turned off like so, then you won't need to worry about this section. Then come back over to Settings, this time select Mobile Data, and then underneath your SIM section, just select the SIM card that you're currently using, and down in this section, you'll have an option for data roaming. Now just make sure this is toggled on, then come back out of here. We're then going to come back over to the Settings menu, and we're just going to turn Airplane Mode on. Give this a few seconds to activate, and then you're going to go and turn this off. We can then head back over to the App Store to see if that's now fixed the issue. If you still can't download your application, then the next thing that I'd recommend doing is come into your home screen on your phone, head over to the App Store, click on the profile icon in the top right, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see this option for Sign Out. So go ahead and select that. Once you've signed out, we'll then need to press on the profile icon again, and at the top here, you'll see this option to sign in. So just go ahead and enter your login information. Click on Done, and then we're going to come over to Settings, come inside of the General tab, scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset at the bottom, and then you'll need to press Reset Network Settings. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and that still hasn't fixed the downloading issue, then the last thing that I'd recommend doing is holding down the power button alongside holding down the volume down button. So whilst holding the power button and the volume down button at the same time, in about 7 seconds, your phone should then restart. And once again, you can check to see if that's now fixed the app issue. Hopefully by now that's working for you. If you did find this video useful, then please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.